your girl Renee, and I'm over at Bernie's garden checking out all her wonderful vegetables. And I saw VA Gardener's video about his vicious animal. Well, honey, Bernie got one right here. Look, he about to make his move now. She got the most ferocious looking bunny I've ever seen. Look at his ears pop up like he know what he gonna do. Me and that bunny done already had a talk. And this is one disrespectful bunny because he will just hop. There he go. There he go. Gone. Look at him. See? Disrespectful. Knowing he ain't supposed to be over here. Knowing if he's over here, he's supposed to be earning his keep by eating some weeds. But does this ferocious bunny do that? Let's think about it. No. He just sit there with his big, cold, black eyeballs and look at you like he wants you to come and feed him all your best vegetables in this garden. But you know what? That ain't happening over here. Not over in Bernie's garden. She's just too nice. She just lets that bunny just roam around. And I have to say, when you do get close to this bunny, all he does is, if I'm going to the left, he going to the right. And gonna wait till you leave, and then he gonna come back and finish eating whatever he was munching on.
He's my mascot.
You hear Bern? She said that this bunny is her mascot. Well, he'd be a fur coat if I knew how to catch him and skin his behind.
Or no-kill garden.
Oh, Bernie says she has a no-kill garden. But okay, well, she can keep this bunny over here because your Lord knows I got enough for Rocky over my end. But I tell you, if it's not one thing, it's another with these animals. But he just sitting over there like he know what he doing. Ears all up like he listening. I wish he would. Shoot. Wish he would. And you see he's over here by himself. He don't have nobody else over here. Just him. I don't know if, well, I'll take that back. He is eating something. But I don't think it's anything that Bernie wants. I think it might be a weed. He's trying to earn his keep. But I still think he's a very disrespectful little bunny. Alright, you hear me? You see his ears popped up when I said disrespectful bunny? He know when he being talked about. Alright, well I guess I better leave this bunny alone because I have really good thoughts of what I could do to this bunny. Alright, I will leave it there. You're lucky this ain't my garden, buddy. Alright, Bernie is giving you a reprieve over here. Alright, talk to you later. Be good. And, bunny, just go away. Eat a weed or two as you leave. Alright, talk to you later. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And, VA Gardener, what did you do to get rid of that rabbit? Because we need some suggestions over here. Put them down in the comments to say how are we going to rescue Bernie from this bunny. See, his ears popped up again. He know. This bunny ain't no dumb bunny. He's a smart bunny. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.